Hi, this is Tim. Today I want to go over our low voltage three-phase trainer that we've developed. First, I want to thank everybody for their input on our three-phase prototype, which, if you recall, had everything mounted on a single plate. And there were mixed reactions to the low voltage section of the trainer. Some of you said it was a great idea, but you worried that if people weren't exposed to high voltage, they wouldn't learn to respect it. Other you thought that, no, this was the way to get people started in the industry. So we came up with a great compromise for this, is we split it into two sections. So we have the power module, and then we have the actual three-phase trainer. So our power module has a lockable disconnect. So one, you can teach about lockout, tagout. And then it has the circuit protection for our transformers and our power supply. And it takes either 240 three-phase or 480 three-phase and generates 24 volt AC three-phase power. And it also has our 24 volt power supply. And we have connectors on the side of it that go to our cabling and connect it to our trainer. So then our three-phase connects right here. Now the advantage of this is, in this case, we're connecting 24 volt AC three-phase from our power module to our trainer. But if you want to connect 240 or 480 to it, you can. And maybe that's something that you start people off on the 24 volt three-phase AC, and then you bump them up to 240 once you feel that they're qualified to work on it. Then we have a manual motor starter, so you can learn about those. And then we have a reversing set of contactors and an overload. And then if we look on the back side, we have our 24 volt terminals, which this is coming off of the power module. And we have the same basic lights and switches we have on most of our trainers, so they can work with all the wiring exercises. And then right now I have it wired so the switch 3, if it's to the left, it goes forward. To the right, it goes reverse. So if I switch 3 to the left, you're going to see this contactor pull in, and you'll see the fan start to run clockwise. And then if I switch to the right, you're going to see this one pull in, and it's going to start running counterclockwise. And if we check our voltages from L1 to L2, we've got roughly 23.1, and we run about 230 volt here. So it's going to be whatever your voltage is divided by 10. From L1 to L3, we've got about the same. And then from L2 to L3, about the same. So roughly 24 volt AC. Also, I just got thinking about it. This power module can probably power 5 or 6 of these three-phase trainers. So you could have one power module and put it over in the corner and then distribute the 24 volt AC three-phase and the 24 volt DC to probably 5 or 6 trainers in a classroom. So I'll put links to both the power module and the three-phase trainer down in the description. Till next time.
Hi, this is Tim.
And this is Amber of TW Controls. We run the automation store. Hey, thanks for finding our channel.
Here's a playlist with some similar videos.
And YouTube thinks you'll like this video.
Please like our video and subscribe to our channel.
And if our videos have helped you make some money and you're not using our products, please consider supporting us on Patreon.
Till next time.
See ya!